Hi, good morning everyone. I'll just do a quick sketch of the village today. Not sure what it's going to be. Let's have a see what we've got as regards brushes. Oh god, here's a big brush. It's a big piece of paper, so big brush. Wasting your time trying to paint on small. Let me see now. What was I thinking? Oh yeah, a village, yeah. Oh yeah. That's it. Just a bit of a quick village scene. Not spending much time on it. No. Oh yeah. It'll come to me when I start doing something. Very simple. Very simple little village scene. And very easy and simple for our learners. And I've not a lot of time either, so here we go. Okay, blend it in this time. Just for our learners, that's all. Just a few little things for our learners. Just try and get some darks together now. We'll just we're early now. I'll dry it off a minute. Well, what it's doing, it's helping me. It's a bit of practice, but also it'll be for learners as well at the same time. So what I'm doing, I'm learning a bit at the same time. So it is rather good for me. I'm just playing about with any colours, any at all. It's coming across here. I'm going to play about with different colours. yeah, I'm doing it for learners, but also it's a bit of a practice for me in ideas of that, which will be useful for me. I've been noticing things lately where you do want to, when you're a painter, you look at things all the time, don't you? And I notice in some of these old roads where they've got these, like I'm putting this this wall up here now, they have these great, the big stones there, what's at the front, these old cottages, they have some great big stones. Anyway, I think, I'm not sure then whether that was in the memory card was full of one, so we'll carry on with the other. And this is the other wall at the other side. Just experimenting for things, isn't it? But it's a big help when you, for later, if you want to do some, put some ideas in, isn't it? And this is just the frontier of the pavement. A little bit of greenery. Just a minute. So, yeah, it's a bit of a. Now, if it's coming across, we'll have it as this. This is going in farther than that. Going farther. Okay, there. I'll just put it. Just a little bit of a trees here. I just miss those. Just having it a bit different than usual. I just have a bit of brown and a bit of Payne's grey. Bit of doing that. Bit of gamboge. Gamboge, did I say? Yeah. Just that little bit. It's a bit different. Just experimenting. I'm just experimenting here. Just a bit of indulgence on my part, really. So let's see what we end up with. That's it, done. Now that was for a quickie this morning for our YouTubers. For our beginners. Okay, playing about with it. Oh yeah, it's still rolling. The camera, rolling, yeah. Well, there you have my old flowers. Try that one. You beginners. I know I've got a cheek for putting things on like that, but still. You can have a go at it, can't you? Eh? Well, I'll see you later. Bye bye for now.